everyone, welcome to the channel Online Shopper. Today video is going to be, is it safe to shop on AliExpress? Yes or no? Now if you don't know about AliExpress, AliExpress is an online e-commerce site where Chinese suppliers place their products on the site to be sold. It's like Amazon but in China, and it's bigger. A lot of people only talk about Amazon. Now don't get me wrong, I love Amazon. I shop on Amazon. Well, I used to shop on Amazon a lot when I was in the US. Now I'm not in the US. So it's kind of hard to get the same products to where I am now in Europe. So AliExpress, it's one of my go-to sites, and ever since I learned about AliExpress, before I buy anything online, I usually shop on AliExpress. Now onto the question again, is it safe to shop on AliExpress, yes or no? And it depends. There is two answers to this. If you're somebody who is very skeptical about shopping online, don't know much about shopping online, you're always scared or think that everything is a scam online, and you never heard about AliExpress before, and when you checked about stuff about AliExpress or you try to find anything about AliExpress and you're hearing that there's Chinese suppliers, or you see the price of some of the products, you might think, oh, it's a scam, it's cheap, I'm not going to put my credit card there, they're going to rob me, it's not good. Well then, the answer is going to be no. For you, in your mind, it's going to be it's not safe to shop on AliExpress. But you have to take into consideration, for all those people who think like that out there, e-commerce sites is the way to go now. Or shopping online, sorry. You got to put your credit card somewhere. You know. And it's very hard for, I would say, e-commerce sites to steal your money from your credit card. You just file a chargeback with your bank and usually it's there, or you buy through PayPal. From my opinion, personal opinion, I have bought many stuff from AliExpress, and AliExpress is really safe in my opinion. I have not have any issues with AliExpress at all. I have gotten stuff from AliExpress free of charge, because if the product does not reach to you in 60 days or however long the time that they placed on the site, I'll show you. For example, if you wanted to buy this for your kid, right, it's a baby toy wooden, let's see what it says here, right, it's baby toy wooden puzzle, right? You can see how it looks, right? And if you go right here, now if it ships to Romania, estimated 29 to 51 days. So you're gonna get it in approximately 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. I can tell you from my experience, usually the products, they take around 3 weeks to come, to 4 weeks, sometimes 2 months. If you're shopping while it's Christmas season, it's gonna take long. And the post office also has a lot to do with it. It depends where they are shipping it. So your local post office might be the one to delay the products. You know, and they do have also refund policies, 60 days money back. So this is 60 days from the time that the product is shipped out. So if the supplier took, let's say, 3 days or 4 days before he shipped your item out, from that day, if you do not get the product to your house within 60 days or your post office, usually it comes to the post office, you file a complaint in your account and you will get your money back. Usually the seller solves the problem right away because they don't want any issues with AliExpress. Usually they solve it right away. If they don't want, usually you don't answer back to the seller, or you answer back and say, no, you will leave it to go to AliExpress, and AliExpress usually takes care of it. They give you a refund. So if you don't believe me, I'm going to log in now to my account so you all can see that I'm not just making up stories. As you can see, there's a lot of orders on some of this stuff. This one has 31,825 order and 18,000 plus review. So it's not just a fly-by-night site. It's really good stuff here. The first time I started shopping on AliExpress, I could not believe how cheap some of the products were. I was not expecting to get any quality products, and I can tell you, boy was I wrong. Now before I buy a lot of stuff, I would go check on AliExpress to see. Top quality as always from, I don't know how to pronounce this name, I'll fly, only 41 days delivery time. This is to Romania. All these flags are to Romania. And I can tell you, you can walk into some stores and you're gonna pay a lot more for these type of items. A lot more. So what a lot of people do, or businesses do, they will buy the Chinese product. This is what goes on all over the world. And they ship it to America, or they ship it to whatever country, and they mark it up. So they make double the money. So as I said, I was going to try to sign in so you all can see that I am not lying. Signing into my account here. And I'm going to show you guys that I do buy stuff on AliExpress. And this is why I made this channel, so that I can show people there's many great stuff on AliExpress. I'll be doing series where I'll be just finding really nice products that you all can buy from AliExpress. My orders, as you can see here, this is my account. Okay, so I'm not lying. All of this, many items, there's just pages of items that I bought from AliExpress. I bought gifts for my dad, I bought toys for my son, I bought jewelry for my wife. As you can see, my wife loves jewelry. I bought home appliances. I did a review video on this one here. You can check it out if you wanna get a vacuum sealing machine. This is a really good option. So I think I have spoken enough. I have talked enough in this video. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.